Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to add HTML images in a web page. I've already written the basic structure of the web page now and I've already saved an image. You and double click on show you. This is the image, an Oracle chart. You can also save an image. I hope you know how to do that. Now inside the body we have to use the image tag to do that. The tag is img and play with me and typing it. Tag is img. It's a self-closing tag, meaning it is an empty tag which only has the start tag and not the end tag. Inside img, will write src. src stands for source. It refers to the source of our image. In my web page, in my folder, should I say, the image is right next to each other. So I can simply click over here and I can see the name images/jpg. So I'm going to type it images and I got it. Now you see it came. If you're wondering how it's coming without me refreshing, I've opened LiveSend. Now let's say this is too big and I want it to be a bit small. To do that, we can set the height and the width attributes. Inside height, let's say I put 200 pixels. It's small. 1000 pixels, massive, so much. Pixels, px refers to pixel, and let's say the width can be 500 pixels. This looks good. That's fine. I think I was done with the like that. So let's say the web browser in which our user is seeing the website, the image is not supported. So what will happen? The answer is simple. Nothing will happen. So we should use the alt attribute. In inside alt, we can put what will happen if the image is not available. So I'm gonna put and oracle data. So that's how I can describe this image. To test it, I'm gonna be creating a new folder and naming it images. Inside it, I'm gonna new. Now go to container C. Now this tag came to showing it was an image and an oracle cat came. This is because I wrote an oracle cat in the alt attribute. Now let's say I want this image to come even though the index.html and my images is not in the same folder. To do that, we can simply write, here we can put the name of my folder is images. So we can write images slash, and now it should come into this. We can also, this is called finding the path of image. We can simply do that by the file created. So I hope you learned images very well and you can use them to enhance your HTML page. Till then, bye. And if you have any questions, write it in the comment box below.